Changing your primary email on Gong EO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Gong account. Access your Gong EO account by entering your current login credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the email you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the account settings menu. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled email preferences or profile. Click on this option to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field displaying your current primary email address. Enter the new email address you want to use as your primary email. Ensure that the new email is valid and accessible. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email, look for a Save or Update button and click it. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Gong EO should be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gong support for assistance.